Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to add contact form 7 file submissions to Google Sheets. So here I have created a contact form 7 and in this case I want whenever a new form is submitted, automatically the details of that form should be added in my Google Sheet as a new row. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect a trigger and an action. So in this process, our trigger application will be contact form 7 and our action application will be Google Sheet. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add contact form 7 file submissions in Google Sheets automatically. So here I have logged in my WordPress account, and in my WordPress account, I have added a contact form 7 plugin in which I have created a new form named as Nature Photography Competition. So here I have added a upload image field so that participant could upload an image. So in this case I want whenever I receive a new form submission, automatically the data of that form should be added in my Google Sheet. Here I have created my Google Sheet with the name as Nature Photography, where I have taken the fields as name, email and image link. So here I want whenever a new form is submitted, automatically the details of that participant should be added in my Google Sheet with the file they have uploaded in the form. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply entering the URL pabbly.com/connect. So here you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create workflow button. Here in this create workflow dialog box, we will give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as add contact form 7 file submissions in Google Sheets. And now I'm going to select my folder as Google Sheets. You can select your folder as per your need, and also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now to begin with our automation, let's set up our trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as contact form 7 and my trigger event as new form submission. So here you can see we have received the webhook URL. That means we will use this webhook URL to connect our contact form 7 with Pabbly Connect. So following these instructions given below, here in my contact form, I will click on this webhook. And here you can see we have received a field where we have to enter a webhook URL. So let's move back to Pabbly. Here I will copy this webhook URL. And now I will paste this webhook URL in this field. After pasting the webhook URL, scroll down and click on this save. So we have successfully saved our integration. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see the last instruction says click on the capture webhook response button below and do a test record so that webhook response can be captured here. So here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. So now we will do a test submission. So this is my form. Here I am going to enter a dummy data where I am going to enter the name as demo user, email as demo@pabblytunes.com. And then I'm going to upload a random image. And now I'm going to click on this submit. So now here you can see it says thank you for your message. It has been sent. So now let's move back to Pabbly. Here you can see we have received a response. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. So now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. And my action event is add new row. Because I want whenever a new form is submitted, automatically the data of that form should be added as a new row in my Google Sheets. So now I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Google Sheets account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my account. And here I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. Now moving forward, here I will select my spreadsheet as nature photography. And then I will select my sheet as sheet 1. And now moving forward, here you can see it is asking for name, email and image link. So basically these are the fields which I have created in my Google Sheet. So instead of entering the data manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here we will map the data from the response we have received in our contact form 7. So here I will map the name. Same for the email, here I will map the email. And for the image link, here I will select the image link. And now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. So here you can see we have received a successful response. So let's check our Google Sheet. So here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received the name as demo user, email as demo@pabblytudes.com, and in the image link we have received a link. Here we will open this link and you can see the image which I have uploaded. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. So now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So now to test our automation, we need to do a new submission. So again, this is the form. Here I'm going to add another dummy data. Here I will give name as test user and email as test@pabblytudes.com. And in this upload image, here I will upload this image which is named as test.jpg. So here I will choose the file which is named as test. And now I'm going to click on the submit. So again we have received here, thank you for your message, it has been sent. So let's check our Google Sheet. So here you can see we have received another response where we have received the name as test user, email as test@pabblytudes.com and an image link. So let's open this link. And you can see the same image which we submitted in the form. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as contact form 7 and our action as Google Sheets. So that whenever a new form is submitted, automatically details of that form should be added in my Google Sheet with the link of file uploaded. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can contact us on our website, that is www.pabbly.com. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.